What is up guys, Stan at the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam CS2 trading issues. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can just simply type in store.steampower.com. Now after typing, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam, wherein on the right side at the top, you will see the option of login. Click on that, and if you are new to Steam, just simply sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, just simply log in with that account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the button to install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, this is what the dashboard of the Steam application will look like. So for solving this issue, first off, you need to exit the Steam application, but not normally by just clicking on this cross. Uh, you just need to go to the Steam icon and then click on exit. By clicking on this exit, you make sure that there is no background running of Steam, that Steam is not running in the background or any of the files related to Steam are not running in the background. And after exiting the Steam, open your browser and then in the browser, go to the Steam stats. And after that, you can see what are the stats according to your country and what are the stats currently on your country, like they are normal or they are not normal. If they are not normal, you might face some issue until the stats turn normal. And after that, just reopen the Steam application, and after reopening your Steam application will restart and all the servers of your application of Steam will restart, and this will be a fresh start to your Steam application. So this is how you can fix the Steam CS2 trading errors. And that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.